Now I'm gonna play the blues for my city, where I born, Mogadishu, the Horn of Africa. So many people having a hard time with the ladies or with their honeys. Oh, the blues is played by me, having a fun. I should have stayed gone when I left before. Oh, you do me wrong, put me together, but I keep coming back, so long for more. But when I leave this time, oh Lord, make sure it's understood that this time I'm going for good. Oh, I'm going for good. Many times I've left you, but I couldn't stay way too long. And God is in the street every day to leave home, still be strong. But when I leave this town, make sure, Lord, make sure it's understood, 'cause this time I'm going for good. For your home, sugar. Wow! Listen to me, honey. It's been warm outside, but for me, there's been no sunshine. So hard for me to leave, but I finally made up my mind. But when I leave this time, oh Lord, make sure it's in the queue. But this time I'm going for good. This time, baby Lord, I'm not gonna let you worry me no more. This time, baby, don't even say nothing to me, honey. Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye, baby. Bye-bye, honey. Just make it sure I'm going for good. I'll throw you home. Take a set of a blues now, darling. Wait a minute over there, let me have my blues playing by me right now, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Go ahead and play your horn right now.